How to download songs on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you download songs on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, there are two ways you can download any songs on your iPhone. First, you can use Apple Music. Simply open the Apple Music app. After that, you must have a subscription on Apple Music, from where you can download a playlist of the song which you want to download on your iPhone. After that, you'll be able to listen that song on offline. Second, you can use the application Spotify. Simply open Spotify. Now from here, you'll be able to download any songs or playlist. For that, simply you'll have to tap on download. You can get the option at the top left, but you must have the premium subscription. After that, you'll be able to download any playlist or you can as usual play it on offline. And that's it. These are the two ways you can try to download any songs on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.